Some problems while programming causes the problem to exit with runtime error, like the following. Let's say that z equals 3 divided by 0. Control Enter. Uh-oh, division by 0. To handle such exceptions or errors, we use the exception handling in Python. What is the exception handling in Python? It is the try except structure. What is the try except structure? It is to try to implement some statements, like, for example, we're trying to implement, we write a tab, then we try to implement statement 1, then statement 2. If any problem happens, any runtime problem happens while executing statement 1 or statement 2, we go to the except part. And run statement 3, statement 4. So it is a way to avoid the runtime errors, or to even exit our program gracefully without such errors. Okay, so what happens if this statement is inside the try? Let's try to write it inside the try. Okay, and put in the except, print some error. Control Enter. Oh, okay. I'm still having this statement. That's why. Okay. Control Enter. Okay. So try. He got into this block. He tried to execute this problem, but a runtime error has happened. So whenever the try fails to execute, the except block executes. Okay. So try block has failed to execute because we had an error. So the except block has been executed and a print statement was shown to the output. Let's revisit the try except block or syntax. Try, then statements inside that try block, then except the exception or the error as E. When we say something as E, okay, it means that E is the nickname of that exception class or that error class. Okay, then the any statement inside the exception block. One of the recommended statements that could be written inside the exception block is to print the E, okay, the nickname, because we can refer to that exception, okay, as E, okay. So E dot underscore underscore class underscore underscore. This attribute gives us the very specific type of error. Okay, so let's track that program. Try, we're taking two inputs from the user. We're taking X, then Y. Okay, and we're making some division. Okay, the statement that is prone to error is this one, because if y equals to 0, we will run into a division by 0 problem. Okay, except exception as E. Okay, then colon. Then what we're doing is that if any problem happens in the try block, then assign z, make it equal to 0, okay, and then print the class of the error. Okay, let's run my program. Control Enter, 10, then 0. Oops, 0 division error occurred, and z equals 0. Then what we are inferencing that the except block has been executed when the try block has failed to execute. It was Tala Uwais. Thank you.